Welcome guys, back to Keep It Wheel, and you're riding with me, Spikes. So I hope you're all keeping well, keeping safe, and I bet you're all missing riding your bikes, but I'm lucky enough to be able to ride mine. I'm on my way to work. I'm classed as an essential worker, so I still get to ride my bike. Those of you that can't, I bet it's killing you, but it's like the end of the tunnel. We'll all be out again soon, I reckon. You really wouldn't think we're in lockdown, the amount of cars that's out at the moment. First few weeks it was nothing. Yeah, so this video is about a stupid bloody thing that I've done. I managed to dent my tank. Quite a bad dent as well, actually. Where I store it in my garage, there's a helmet above it. The garage is a right state. There's a helmet above my bike, and I reached up, knocked the helmet, and it dropped on my tank right on the left hand side. So I contacted loads of different dent repair companies, and they all said it was just too complex, because I think they like to work up from the inside as well, like rod it from the inside of the tank, but obviously that's not possible, so nobody was interested. So I just kept trying, and I found a company called Dent Perfection in Nottingham. I took it to him, he tried rodding it from the inside, no access at all, couldn't do it, and so he had to work for it, he had to like pull it out from the inside. I'll show you the pictures how he did it. Yeah, and he's got it back to perfection, hence his name, Dent Perfection. And I mean perfection, it's like you could never ever tell it was ever dented. It's like it came out the factory. I scouted for loads of tanks on eBay, I just couldn't find the right one. Where are you going? Yeah, so lessons learned: don't store stuff above your bike, and get your garage sorted. In fact, during the lockdown, that's what I planned to do, but I've had to go back to work, so it's still on the back burner to sort that out, but I will sort it out. That helmet's definitely not there anymore, neither is all the other stuff. So it was a costly mistake, but all's well that ends well. It looks pristine now. I was absolutely gutted, I felt sick. Yeah, so that's it, it's just a short one. I hope you're all keeping well, and just remember, we will be back out soon. But until then, be safe, dream about riding, keep watching our videos. Cheers guys. So as you can see now, it is back to pure perfection. It's just like it came out of the factory. I don't know if you can see on the camera, but yeah, done a cracking job. It's absolutely perfect. Well worth the money. And lessons learned: don't store stuff above your bike that can easily be knocked off. And that's it guys, thanks for watching, we'll catch you on the next one.